where is it that you are either constructive on at these valuations? Where is it that you are certainly away or completely bearish on, if not bearish, not bullish on when it comes to specific pockets?
Sure. So if I look at the growth versus valuation equation, a couple of sectors do stand out. One is financials, banks as well as NBFCs, where I think the underperformance has been there for quite some time. And for valid reasons, of course, there are margin pressures, liquidity has been tight. So even this quarter, you may see single-digit earnings growth on the PAT for the banks because the cleanup has happened, write-backs have happened, so clean balance sheet. But there is a little bit of question in the short term as far as the margins are concerned. But having said that, the underperformance has been there for quite some time. And relatively speaking, this looks one of the most attractive sectors. I think a lot of people are underweight on the banking sector. So this sector does offer a pocket of relative value as far as growth and the balance of valuations is concerned. Because see, if the call is that India is going to grow at 7 to 8% in the next few years, then credit will grow at 14-15%, and credit has to be supported by deposit growth. So this tight liquidity situation is not going to last forever. Good thing is that we are seeing at least initial signs of the Fed, sounding a little more dovish than before. So this extreme tightness that we are seeing in the global situation, the winding down of the balance sheet, should kind of alleviate in the medium term. So banking and finance overall looks fine. I think the physical asset creation story still continues. Within that, of course, there are pockets where we have seen a lot of action. For example, capital goods stocks, especially mid and small caps, have run up quite a lot. So the attractiveness is to that extent a little less than before. But construction companies are still available cheap, and they have not gone up to that extent. And again, if you're going to create that physical infrastructure, you need construction companies to do well. So I think there are pockets, for example, like pharmaceutical stocks. They have done well, but again, given the growth potential, there can be some pockets of value there. So I think there is enough, sub pockets in the market where we are comfortable in, and that's where we would like to focus our attention on.